Alright, check it out. So today I'm gonna show you how to get beat stems from any beat. What's up? My name is Macro from Mix It with Macro. I'm a professional recording and mixing engineer, and I do recording and mixing for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and your mixing process for fast and consistent results. That is why I created a 5-step cheat sheet that will take your mix to a stream-ready song in less than 30 minutes. Alright, I show you all my plugins, my plugin chains, my plugin settings, my workflow within this cheat sheet that you can read in less than 10 minutes. Alright, so go ahead and check it out. It is absolutely free. It is my gift to you. Now let me show you how to grab stems from any song on the internet. Easy. What's up, my friend? I'm gonna show you today how to get beat stems. Here's a tool right in front of us. Let's get straight to it. It is called LALAL.AI. You get to choose your file here, and then you get to tell it what do you want to extract. So you can go from vocals and instrumental, you can go drums, bass, acoustic guitar, vocal and noise. That's if you want to isolate a vocal even more, like if you have a vocal recording, you know, maybe you're recording something on the street like an interview and then you just want to take the noise out of it. You can extract the piano, synthesizers, and so on and so forth. You got strings and even the wind instruments as well. So boom, you got it here. Now let's put a file in here and experiment with what this thing can actually do. So here I have a beat from one of my buddies. Let's drop it in. I'm going to skip ahead to when it's finished uploading. Alright, and now we see vocal. Now this is just an instrumental, so we don't need any vocals out of this. We just need stems from the instrumental. Now let's see what we can get here. Let's do, so now we're doing drums, it's queuing up drums. Now let's see what we got here. Alright, now it's the drums. Just for reference, I'm going to pull up what the actual instrumental sounds like. Alright, okay, that's the reference here, and this is what the drums sound like. Alright, let's listen to the sample. But with a little bit of cleanup on the low end, let's say when you put it back into your DAW, you can easily clean up the bass. Okay, now we just extracted the bass. Yep, with a little bit of EQing, you can easily take out the high end. You could take out the hi-hats that you're hearing here. Now this is without the bass, so this should just be the beat, the full beat without the bass. Phenomenal tool, guys, phenomenal tool. And you can keep going as much as you want. All right, now it starts off with a starter pack of 10 minutes where you can get 10 minutes of download time here. Once you process file, what will happen is that you will have a 2 minutes and 15 seconds reduction, because that is how long the beat is. All right, it just gives you like a 1 minute preview of what you're going to hear. With that, you can go through all of these and extract the stems that you need, and you can get the stems out of any beat. All right, and that's how you can get stems from any song on the internet. Okay, AI tools are getting crazier and crazier every day, and we can use it to our benefit. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.